Was very easy to put up. Very easy. Put one of the screws in the stud, and it's easy. You can see that I have it right behind the door here. Okay. So we'll open this door. We don't have to worry. Everything is nice and neat behind the door. So yeah, nice and neat. Nothing's gonna hanging all over the house on the floor. So which is nice and neat and out of the way. You can see that it's holding the Swiffer jet with the bottle in there, so it can hold the weight. So okay, I hope that helped you guys out.
This was really nice. It's really sturdy. Everything's in there holding nicely. I didn't notice that it had the little stencil to put the screws. Had I have known, it probably would have been a lot easier to do this in this little cramped spot that I have it located. But yeah, use that stencil. That would have been fantastic. I just used a thin marker to mark the screw holes. But I'm sure you like it. Bye.